channel for the love of beauty. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell button so that you will not miss any of my videos. Go ahead, thumbs up, share this video, and let everybody know about your girl, Happy Dimples 39. And you guys, what I am coming to you to do tonight is to flat twist my hair. I'm going to show you how to do that, and the next day I will untwist my hair and just put it into a style. So, ooh, excuse me, y'all. Okay, I got my hair up in a little, high bun. Okay. This is the way I wore it today. In my last video, I was showing you guys how I dyed my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and flat twist it. So I'm not going to talk throughout the video. I'm just going to flat twist it. Show you guys what I do to flat twist my hair. So the product that I'm going to use is Pine Tar by B&B. This is Pine Tar Super Grow Conditioner, Temple and Scalp Treatment. Okay, and this is what it looks like. It's green hair grease. And it does smell tarry. Okay, and I am also going to wet my hair with this oil mixture. Okay, remove my earrings. And you guys, I also want to say this before I get started. I know I have been slacking on my videos, but you guys, I have a reason why I have been slacking. hair, I flat twist the front and I braided the back. It's not straight or anything because I'm going to do the twist out on tomorrow morning. I just could not flat twist my back, so I went on and I braided it. So this is the flat twist and the braid, flat braid, okay? And I will come back tomorrow and take it down and style it. I don't know how I'm going to style it, but I have to work on that. So you guys, I am so sorry. I have been slacking, and I'm going to have to step up my game. But there's a reason why I have been slacking. I have someone in my life now. Yes, I have someone in my life. I've been waiting for so long by myself, patiently waiting on the Lord. And this man found me. I just have to tell you guys more about it. But just stay tuned. Stay tuned. You wouldn't want to miss what is to come. So you guys, please forgive me for slacking on my videos. But stay tuned. I would say more, but I'm not. You just have to stay tuned. Thank you all so much for watching, and please come back because you never know what I may have next for you. So please come back. Thank you all so much for watching. I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.